Tonight, I would like to talk about Kucoin trading bots. It's a very interesting topic, and we will try to highlight a few things that are important people need to know before they use bots. So, once you do that, you'll see they have 5 bots here. And bots are good because they take advantage of the volatility of the market. Also, it's a great business idea from Kucoin. It's a superb thing, but is it overpriced? Are the numbers hidden? They hiding people from things they need to know. So we need to know maybe there's fraud in these bots. But my point is, people don't see that this is not just for the day's profit. This is for the yearly profit. That's what you need to understand. This is an ABR, not today's profit. It's an highest ABR. They should say that, not today, because many innocent people will fall for this. So if you want to see the right number, you have to divide it by 365. This is about 18%, 18.5 maybe, at the most, maybe 19%. The same thing goes for this, divided by 365, all these numbers. But this is a good bot, given the fact that many people want to invest in crypto. It has the future and all that thing. So it has good dimensions and good things. So say I believe Flux, so I believe Flux will go high. So every week I want to buy Flux. That time, my first investment will be tonight, and I want to buy $25. Maximum will be $30, and this is optional. So what you need to do is this is important. So you need to know. So every time it hits around 125, once the target is reached, notify and continue. Or you can say once the target is reached, notify and sell. But I like the top one, so because I believe the coin. Confirm. And then you don't have to set any, you don't have to customize anything but this one. Very straightforward, very easy, and I recommend it. But this is what I have problem with these things. Still good, really good if you know what you're doing, but most innocent people will be the machine will misguide them, that they will believe that the machine will make money for them, and they don't set stop limits, they don't know how to set take profit numbers and all that. So what they will do is, you go say you create this, they'll show you this. Look how big the price range is, from 58 to $109. And then what they will do is, you will have high grid. That high grid will cause that one has to pay more money, because you need to set the price range. It's very important. And in here, this one, and the outer one, you don't even have a stop loss. So this machine just keeps working. That you own the market. You don't own the market. You have to have a stop loss, and you have to have a take profit. So that's why most people, when they go in, they lose money, because they don't have the parameters. But before I go more and how we customize, I want to talk about what we call about grid. What is this grid? And we need to understand before we customize. So I like the blue color. Let's go for that. For my grid, I will make it blue, but the steps I will make it red. So I will make my grid here. I'll build it here. That's my grid. That's my grid. This is my grid. That's my grid. And then we're going to divide the grid into two parts. Buy side sell side. So say 5 here, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.5, 0.001, 0.0001. So say we buy this thing at 1.3 and then price goes up. Price goes up. What is it going to do? It's going to sell and sell and sell. Price goes. Every time price goes up, it's going to do this. And then you are in profit. You're making more money. You're happy. The machine is making you happy. You're laughing. And then the price goes down. Price goes down. What's going to do? It's going to buy. And say you had 100 grids. Like 100 of this. 100, and it's going to divide. We'll divide 50 on the buy side. 50 on the sell side. So it's going to have equal, we will try to have equal orders, but spot is usually long, so it will start buying at the beginning. The first thing it's going to do is buy. So that way it will have more buy orders, even though they're equal, according to the grid drawing, it will have more buy orders, and then it's going to buy you, because you don't own the market. The market will go up and down. So if you don't have the machine doesn't have a stop limit, and they take profit, what is it going to do? Every time the market goes down, it's going to buy more. Who's going to benefit? Kucoin will benefit, because it's charging you more money, even though it's saying on the profit side, they're making more money. So don't fall for that. And that's what grid is anyway. So now you understand the grid. So let's go and customize this. So let's go and customize. So I want to see the chart before I do this. So this is the Kucoin 4-hour chart. So lowest price for today was this $80, but the potential is there. Stop loss to set $76 is safe. 76.5 is safe. And profit is this. So if we go for the day, let's go for the 12-hour. So it can go $96. I believe 25 a week ago. So the potential is there. Go. So I'll let this thing run for a week. 76, $97. So that's how I will do my thing. So 76, 97. So let's say 93. What's my grid? 87. I don't like this. So to be safe, because the entry price is 84 now, so my stop loss should be 78. That's 76. So that's too much profit. So let's say 91. That gives me 68. It's a good number. Or even 90. That gives you a good number. 90.5. 65. I like that number. That's a good grid number. Or, in other words, number of orders, place orders. That's the grid. That's what they're talking about here. The grid is the number of orders, how they will divide, buy and sell things. And now I'm going to set this because I like this. And that's the price they will charge. So say I make this $97. Look what happens. See, they're charging me now 0.08 maximum. I will be paying 0.22%. That's crazy, right? But still, it's better when you don't customize. If you customize, you're still okay. See, you're still okay. If you customize, you're still okay. And I want to go 50% of my investment, 51%. So, but the beginning I would start like 25%. You know, see if the machine is doing a good job, then I'll increase to 50. But also, this is important. You have this option when you customize. You don't have this option when you auto. And that's where they get most people. And people should be talking about this. Many people need to talk about this important, crucial with Kucoin's bot. I don't think it's legal. It's fraud because it doesn't have the option for the auto part to do this. Stop price. And these you know, and these are centralized, and they should not be like decentralized. They should follow rules. So you see, they're acting like they're decentralized. They give you auto. There is no stop price. If the stock market did this, there would have been a big problem. But these exchanges, what they're doing, I wonder if it's legal. So now, stop price of this, I would say, to me, 76, 77. I want the machine running, stop running. And profit, I want to take $91, take profit. Stop. When you go take profit, stop running the machine. That's the grid setting, but the profit is different. So that is where this machine is somehow in the territory of, I don't know, I'm not a lawyer, but I wonder the legality of this auto. So that is that. So we stop on that one. And let's try to look at the futures one. I don't do futures, but I'll try to explain a little bit. So you have two choices. You can long and you can short. And then that's a trap there, auto. Once you do that, you fall for this high fluctuation. See that price range. So you need to make a logical price range. And so we would customize it. So once we customize, say I'm shorting Bitcoin. So I believe Bitcoin will go to 35,000. I don't think it will go. It may go to 29, 30,000, but not now. But it may go because there's a lot of imbalance that needs to be mitigated. Up to 29, there's space that needs to be mitigated. It's not mitigated. It may need to be mitigated. So now, the high range I would go would be 44,000. Or why would I even go that much? I would go 42,000 because I'm shorting Bitcoin. Right? 41. That's a good grid for these guys. It's a future. So I don't want to go more than that. So I'll go 40. I'll even say 40. Don't give me too much. So less grids. Investment, I have nothing, but I'll say 1. But it's not 1, but you gotta have a specific number. You see what I mean? $800, like $900. I want to put $900 of this. Right? I'm shorting it. So I have these options, which I don't have here on when it's auto. But here, you have this. So stop price will be 38,500. Take profit. I want to turn it on. I want to take profit when it hits 35,000. My entry price, whatever the price is now, a little bit lower, 38,500, or a little bit higher. Yeah, just above that, whatever it is now. You see? Boom. That's how you do it. And if you're doing long, so right now, the price range, that was the shorting side. The longing side is, so I believe The lowest it will go, because I am bullish on Bitcoin, it will be 37,000, and high 45,000, because I'm bullish. Earlier I was not. 44 is a good number for the grade. Good price range. And I want to put $1,000, because there's no money, but that's the amount of money that you can do for the long. And stop price, so 36,500. Take profit 45,000. Entry price, what it is now, 38,400. A little bit lower than what it is now. Yeah, a little bit lower. It has to go 38,000. Let's see if we can do 38,100. Yeah, we can do. So you have to be a little bit lower because you believe in it's gonna go up. So that is that, and that's the futures thing. So you understand it. And smart resemblance. This is just nothing big. It's just a portfolio. It's like when you go to the bank, and then you're buying these ETFs, and then they create this portfolio for you, So this portfolio is called, it has different names, right? Futures capital, aggressive. All these coins will be Web3 coins. All these are Web3.0 coins. So then you see how much percentage you want, which coin you don't want. I don't want that. I believe that coin. I don't like ENS, Flux, I believe, Musk, I believe, Numbers, I believe, this one too. And then you can add, whatever you want. See if Telos is there. See, you can add whatever you want, and your portfolio is created. Total investment, so you have to turn it on, and then 50% of my investment in the Web03, like that. Then I can create a portfolio, and I have options here, because once you customize, you have options. Stop loss by ratio, that means stop loss of around 10%. Yeah, if each coin goes below that number, it will stop running, like that. Anytime it goes around 13%, any of my portfolio, this bot stops running. Notify and don't sell, or I can say auto sell, automatically sell. I don't want to take more than that risk, right? That's how you configure the stop loss. Take profit. I want to take profit anytime any of these guys go 100%. That's too much for me. I'm okay with 100. You know what I mean? It's up to you. It depends how greedy you are, right? You can configure, right? That's configured already. And then I need to configure this one. %, right? And the coin ratio, I would do about 3% by coin ratio, right? So it's gonna balance like that, rebalance method. That's how it's gonna do, around 3% every 28 days, like that. That's how you do portfolio. And this is set, and this is good for people who are investors, like long-time investors, not for traders. Your portfolio is protected, your invest is protected. You don't worry about this. You mind your own business. You go to work and you invest, and crypto has a better return. I hope everybody you will like the video, and if you like what I put there, please subscribe my YouTube, give thumbs up, and set the alarm, so every time we send videos, it will ring for you. And thank you for your support. Have a great day.